You can send money on Snapchat by using Snapcash, but first you have to set up a couple things. So first, we can hit the $, hit an amount, and hit add cash. But if you don't have a debit card linked, you will come to this page. We can click I agree here. This will create our account for us, or we can head over to our account. Just tap your account photo and head over to the settings over here. Once you're in settings, scroll down to Snapcash, choose that, takes us to the same page, click I agree, and now you'll have to enter some information. Then you will be able to link a US Visa or Mastercard debit card to your account and start sending payments. I would also check the option to require your security code every time you send cash. Once your Snapcash account is set up, head over to your friends list or start a chat. Just choose one here and we'll send cash. We can write a message first if we want. Hey, here's, and then to send the cash, what you need to do is do the $, and then whatever amount, we'll say 2. We could go 2.00 if you want, but it's not required. Then we click the add cash button right there. Just click it and send your message. Now I have to enter the CVV number of that card, and then you'll get this pop-up. You can always choose to don't ask again. I like to have it on there. Hit yes, and that will send the money right over to our recipient. Now, at first, you're going to be limited to a certain amount that you can send, around $250, and you're also limited with the amount that you're able to receive, but you can up those amounts if you verify yourself. And on our recipient's phone, of course, now we're notified that we have received cash. Click right there. Now we can receive the $2. If you don't have a debit card linked, you're going to have to link a debit card to your account, even to receive money. Tap to receive. And then we have to go through the same exact verification process that we went through previously. If you receive money through Snapchat, be sure to link a debit card to your account within 24 hours. Otherwise, that money will go back to the sender. But that is how you can easily send and receive money on Snapchat by using Snapcash.